I'll be showing you in today's video is all the tips and tricks in GB WhatsApp and all of the privacy settings. So the first thing I'll be showing you is this symbol at the top that represents a Wi-Fi signal. So when you click on this signal, what it basically does, it puts the WhatsApp in airplane mode. So you won't be able to receive any messages or any calls on WhatsApp. So I'm going to put it back, turn it back off. So the next thing at the top right here, which symbols a sun, you're going to click on that. And that is basically to put the WhatsApp in light mode or to put it in dark mode. Okay, so now at the bottom right hand corner, we have a plus sign here. So this is where we go to start a new conversation. So we can search for the contact, punch in the contact, and we can start a new conversation there. Or when we click on this symbol which appears an alarm, what will happen now is you will be able to see the persons who are online. So you doesn't necessarily have to go in the person chat to see if the person is online. And what you notice here, as you scroll down, whenever it picks up a new person online or whenever it picks up a person online, you're going to see it at the top of the screen up here. So next we're going to go to the option button at the top right hand corner. So this is basically where you find your privacy and security add-ons, updates, home screen, conversation screen, or you can customize a home screen, customize a conversation screen, but what will be going in privacy and security. Okay. So what we have here is to freeze last seen. So if you click on this, then persons won't be able to see if you are online, and you won't be able to see if persons are online either. So we're going to go on privacy in contacts. So we have hide blue ticks. Now hide blue ticks simply means if someone send you a message and you read that message, they won't be able to know if you read it because they won't see a blue tick. Hide second tick, if someone send you a message, they won't know if that message was delivered to your phone because they would only see one tick even when you reply. Hide blue microphone, if someone send you a voice note and you listen to that voice note, they won't be able to know that you have listened that voice note because the microphone won't be blue. Hide typing, if you're typing, the person which you're typing to won't be able to know that you're typing because you have this options turned on. Hide recording, if you're recording, the person you're recording to won't be able to know that you're recording. So we're in group settings, and it's basically the same thing for our group settings. And we have the same settings: hide blue ticks, hide second tick, hide blue microphone for broadcast. So we have who can call, just like regular WhatsApp. We have disable forwarded messages. So if someone send you a message and you forward it to a next contact, that contact won't know that you would have forwarded that message because there won't be the arrow and hit which suggests that the message was forwarded. Anti-delete message. If someone sends you a message and they delete that message from you, so they click delete from everyone, that message won't be deleted from you. You will still able to see that message. So show blue tick after reply. So once you have this option activated, if someone send you a message, the only time they are going to know that you would have read that message is when you would have responded to that message, because that is the only time they would see a blue tick. Hide status view or hide view status. Whenever you view someone's status, what will happen is that they won't know that you would have viewed their status because WhatsApp won't notify them that you would have viewed their status. Anti-delete status. if someone delete their status after it has been posted, you will still be able to see their status. And what is very unique about this WhatsApp is that you can put a lock on it, and it can be either fingerprint, pattern, or pin. So this is home screen, and this is where you go to edit all of what displays on your home screen. Conversation screen, this is where you go to edit what is displayed on your conversation screen. Go back. So guys, what I'm going to show you now, whenever I'm accessing my GB WhatsApp, I literally have to use my fingerprint to access my WhatsApp, and that's what make it so private. Okay guys, so these are all of the features, all of the privacy features, the tips and tricks about GB WhatsApp. So I hope that you would have learned something today. And please do remember guys, just like, comment, and share my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please go ahead and subscribe now. Thank you.